Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to search an account on Instagram without having your own account. So first, what you'll need to do is to open your browser and the device that you have. You can also do this on your Android device or on your iOS device, on your iPhone or on your iPad. So you just simply need to first go on and open any browser that you have. Then in here on the search bar, we're just going to type on www.instagram.com slash the username of the profile that you want to view. So I'm just going to type on Kylie Jenner. And after a few seconds, you should be able to view the profile that you want to see on Instagram. So that is how you do this. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.